Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin using 3 ways in Bitget. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video. So first we have to open Bitget, and once we are in the Bitget, tap on add funds, and from here I will show you the 3 ways from which you can easily deposit Bitcoin in your Bitget account. So the first one is deposit crypto. So let's suppose I have Bitcoin in my other exchange or another wallet and I want to transfer it to Bitget. So we have to use deposit crypto. For that, simply tap on that and search for BTC or Bitcoin. Tap on the first option, and from here we have to choose the network, which is mostly Bitcoin, but you can choose any network from here like Lightning Network and BP20. So here I have chosen BTC network, and from here we will get this deposit address. Now we have to copy this deposit address and open that particular exchange or the wallet which holds your Bitcoin. So let's suppose I have Bitcoin in my Binance, so I will open Binance for that, and in Binance tap on wallets on the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on withdraw and then tap on withdraw again. On the top search bar, search for BTC, and now over here we have to tap on the first option again, which is send via crypto network. After that we will see this type of interface where we have to paste the deposit address which we copied from Bitget. So just paste the deposit address, and as you can see, it automatically detected our network, which is Bitcoin. Now in the withdrawal amount, write down the amount of BTC you want to transfer to Bitget. So let's suppose I want to transfer 1 BTC, so I will type that and then tap on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, you have to confirm your transaction, and after a few moments you will receive the confirmation email that you have successfully received a BTC from Binance. And that's how you can easily deposit Bitcoin in your Bitget account through deposit crypto option. Now I'm going to show you the second way. The second way is credit and debit card, which have no fees, so you can buy that. You just have to simply tap on over here and then search for BTC. Once search for BTC, tap on it. Now you have to write down the amount in euro or in any currency that you want. So let's suppose I want to buy BTC in USD currency. I will type USD, and from here write down the USD amount in which you want to buy BTC. Tap on buy BTC, and from here you have to tap on add bank card. Now we have to add a new card. After writing the card, tap on next, and then you have to again confirm your transaction, and that's how you can easily buy BTC using credit and debit card option. Now the third option is P2P trading. So tap on P2P trading. So over here we have to tap on USDT over here and then search for BTC, or in the coins list you can see BTC over here, and for that you have to choose the right person. After choosing the right person, tap on buy and then tap on confirm. From here write down the amount in your currency from which you want to buy BTC. The limit is 59,000. After that tap on buy BTC with 0 fees and your order will be created, and then you have to choose the payment method. From here you have to choose any one payment method, and after that tap on buy BTC with 0 fees and your order will be created, and you will be given 15 to 10 minutes time in which you have to transfer the amount, and after that you will receive Bitcoin in your Bitget account. And that's how you can buy Bitcoin in Bitget. I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.